Day 6.
Mystery chicken and ripping Pokemon packs until I can quit my 9 to 5. This is the world's smallest chicken, guys. I don't know what to tell you, but we're gonna bring it out here on the table. It's already lost a bone. It's the world's smallest chicken. Big old fuzzy grapes. You know, we're not gonna wash them. We're just gonna raw dog them. Whatever pesticides are on them are on them. You know, it is what it is. Mid chicken wrap. Mid chicken wrap. Mid chicken wrap. Hey, hey. I know this Pokemon. I like this Pokemon. Mamoswine. Mamoswine. I think it's probably like 20 cents, but that's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit. We're down like still negative $26 or something in the series. It's not going well. At least we got our chicken. This is good chicken.